All right, so you've added the 3D print toolbox, you have checked all, and you have intersecting faces. This one isn't too bad to look at and figure out. Sometimes they can be really complicated. Sometimes you don't even see all the geometry that's buried underneath. If it is a situation where you can't see everything, just remember that you can toggle X-ray on and get a better sense of what the geometry is that way. So as you go into face select mode, you see these different faces are all overlapping, and it seems to be a big mess. Very often, it ends up being rather simple. That's maybe when you scaled some things down, some of the edges that were smaller got so small that they actually flipped the other way. So very often, if you can, it simply comes down to identifying that edge that happened to, scaling it, and moving it in the other direction. And now, if we do a check, we will see that those intersecting faces have been fixed.